Hello everybody, my name is Andy and I am the husband around here. I'm gonna show you guys how to get ready for bingo night or whatever people do. We don't do anything, we kind of just sit at home all the time and do a lot of makeup. So let's get started, let's do this. Holy shit, oh my goodness. Subculture and Modern Renaissance by, I'm not even gonna pretend to try to pronounce that name, but we're gonna start by putting some pink stuff, eyeshadow, whatever, on your face, and some more deeper pink eyeshadow stuff. Little known fact, this stuff is made with tiger's blood and elephant's tusks. It will keep you young forever. Not everybody knows this also, but Sydney is 47,000 years old and makeup keeps her young. So if you want to stay young, put all this purple stuff on your face. It works, believe me, trust me, you would never tell. So you know what, just really get that on there. And then, what do we got here? Some more, it's called All Star. And I didn't see the other name, but we're gonna call it pink and purple because that's what they are. And just smear that on top of the other stuff you smeared all over your face. Just get all smeared on there. You're gonna hear that word a lot, smeared. Smeared, like peanut butter. Anyway, so now you're just gonna blend it together because putting two colors on top of each other makes a whole lot of sense unless you blend them together. Whatever. There's like no eyebrows there. Wow, Sydney, you just do something with my eyebrows, girl. Shit, I'm gonna fill those in later. So now we're gonna take a smaller brush and just keep going over this stuff. I don't know why we keep going over the same stuff. Oh, we got some white now. Got some, look, oh, did you get some in your eye? Oh, wasn't meant to go up there. I don't know if that was, yep, we're gonna fix it. It's gonna go, yep. Anyway, so you're gonna smear that white on there real nice. Just get it on there with that little tiny brush. I don't know. I know all these brushes have names. I don't know the names of them. Anyway, so just get it all in there. Get it in there nice and deep in the crease. You want to get it in the crease, you know. Put a nice little wing at the end. You get the wing at the end, it's gonna look like you're flying, you know, just gliding across the bingo hall or dance, whatever. I don't know what you guys do. Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, I think we're putting powder on top. Maybe some more white stuff. Why so much white? I don't understand. I don't. This is just putting white on top of white. It's like beating a dead horse. But anyway, just keep putting more white on there. Oh, we're lining it out now. So you just want to go on there with some black, really skinny. I'm assuming this is all eyeshadow. But whatever, we're just gonna call it eyeshadow. Just take all that shit and just smear it across your face. Who cares? At this point, just we've used so many different colors, I don't even know what we're doing. So we got some black, some pink underneath, and some white. 3 different shades of white. I didn't know there was that many shades of white. I thought there was just white, maybe like eggshell, off-white. Oh, we're going back and just blending it all in. Holy crap, both eyes are done now. That was magic. Oh my god. I told you, she knows voodoo. Okay, so we're gonna put some eyeliner on now, I think. Hey, I used to do that when I was 16 and go to concerts. I know that's eyeliner. I do that all the time. So we'll just get that in there. I never used to take a brush to it, but apparently nowadays you put a brush on your eyeliner. Just put it in there. Good little smoky eye going. That's what they call it. Yeah, I know that one. It's a little smoky eye underneath there. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna touch up the white. You gotta make sure you get it in your tear ducts there, so when you cry makeup. It tastes good. I wonder how this stuff smells on your face. I can't imagine that makeup smells that good. But so we're gonna get some more white, and we're gonna go right underneath the eyebrow. Oh man, your eyebrows got done too? Man, that's crazy. Yeah, look at that face. That's cute. I married that. Oh, we gotta wing out the eyeliner now. Oh, yeah, wing it out. You know what? You just wanna take it. Why don't you just go all the way across your face? That'd be greater. Oh, you gotta make it thick. Yeah, thicken that bitch up. Thicken it up. Thick. The THICC. Ain't no CK up in here. You do it thick with 2 C's. Thick. Oh yeah. That's a good one. That's a nice. Yep. Fill it in there. Now you make it all the same color. It's kind of like painting a car. You know, you gotta do it all even and nice. I mean, it's really like, I know dudes hate on chicks that wear a lot of makeup, but that is kind of like art a little bit. It's like painting on a canvas. And now we got some stuff that looks like it belongs to Satan. Also part of the voodoo magic that she uses to keep herself 47,000 years young. This will keep you living for another 6. Oh wait, they're eyelashes. My bad, everybody. I thought this was more makeup. Well, that's eyelashes. Yeah, just glue them on your face. little, you know, makeup tip, pro tip from a makeup artist husband. If you use super glue, they stay on way better. That, you could take that to the bank. I promise you that. That's facts. Facts right there. Big facts, okay? So we're gonna put the other one on. She doesn't use super glue. She used super glue. I don't understand. You know, you will never have to do this again, but she likes ripping them off their face. She thinks it feels good. You guys are weird. Everybody who thinks fake eyelashes being ripped off their face feels nice. You're weird. Sorry. Then again, I don't wear fake eyelashes. I got some long, beautiful, luscious ones. She's jealous. Oh, time for do them lips, girl. Them lips. There you go. Line them out. Now, if you need to fill your lips out, you know, you could just like trace out some bigger lips on your face and just smear some lipstick all over it. Nobody will be able to tell. I promise you that. Other pro makeup tip, take that to the bank. If you just want to just put lipstick wherever you want, fellas really like it when you put it on your teeth too. They actually, I'm probably the only fella that would notice makeup on teeth, or I notice weird things now that my wife is a makeup YouTube person. I notice when girls have bad eyebrows. I notice when girls do bad makeup. But anyway, we got some plum looking purple on the bottom, some red on the top. Maybe there's red all over the place. Oh, well, it looks like we're done. Oh, bye-bye. Bye, everybody. Thanks.